बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कोऑपरेशन के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। फाइनल अकेडमी ऑफ कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स ने लेक्चर्स की ऑनलाइन रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट की है। इसमें हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कोऑपरेशन के बारे में। एवरीवन knows that if you are going to appear in any kind of competitive exams, be it CSS, EMS, or any other one paper through any forum, तो आपको कुछ बेसिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का पता होना चाहिए। इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बगैर आप कभी भी किसी भी पेपर में कामयाब नहीं हो सकते। सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इस्लामिक कोऑपरेशन। हम सबसे पहले हम इसके हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड में जाएंगे। जैसा कि हर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कोई ना कोई बैकग्राउंड होता है, इसी तरह OIC का भी एक बैकग्राउंड है। On 21st August 1969, a fire incident took place in Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem. So हुआ कि जिस वक्त इसमें आग लगी तो it was blamed on Jews कि Jews ने आग लगाई है। So उस वक्त मुसलमानों की कोई भी कलेक्टिव वॉइस मौजूद नहीं थी। इसी ज़रूरत को महसूस करते हुए a meeting of 24 heads of Muslim states was convened. The agenda of this meeting was to evolve a common platform, a joint platform at which all Muslim states could sit together and discuss their issues. So इसी ज़रूरत को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए ये मीटिंग कॉल की गई थी। So जिस वक्त ये मीटिंग कॉल हुई, कन्वीन की गई, तो इस मीटिंग this meeting actually laid down the foundation of OIC. So हुआ कुछ यूँ कि जिस वक्त ये मीटिंग हुई, उस मीटिंग में डिसाइड किया गया that there should be a platform, a joint platform at which all Muslim states could sit together and decide their future. So the motto of the formation of OIC was to safeguard the interests and ensure the progress and well-being of Muslims. So OIC is actually an intergovernmental organization of Muslim countries. इसमें mostly जितने भी member states हैं, they are Muslim countries. So जिस वक्त मीटिंग कॉल की गई, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? On 25th September 1969, OIC properly बना दी गई। Initially, there were 24 member states, but with the passage of time, more and more Islamic countries joined this organization, and ultimately, the current membership of OIC stands at 57. So, headquarters of OIC is located in Jeddah. It is a Saudi Arabian city, and there are 3 official languages of OIC. These languages are Arabic, English, and French. And the current Secretary General of OIC is Yusuf Al-Usman. Initially, when OIC was formed, its name was Organization of Islamic Conference. But on 28th June 2011, its name was changed from its previous name to the current name, which is Organization of Islamic Cooperation. So the most important thing is that, which is mostly asked on the paper, is that first summit tha OIC ka, it was held in 1969 in Morocco. Morocco is an African country, and the second summit of OIC was held from 22 to 24th February 1974 in Lahore. This is very important from exams point of view. And the most important thing is that the most recent summit, which is the 14th summit of OIC, it was held on 21st May 2019 in Makkah. So it is all about OIC, which you must be able to understand and which you must know if you are going to take any kind of competitive exams. Most of the questions which are likely to be asked, they would be from these slides. So keep in touch with us for more videos.